In the Western Balkans and Turkey, democracy is under threat. Corrupt politicians and their networks are capturing parts of the state and using them to make a profit. Through state capture, the corrupt are controlling government decision-making for their private interests. This involves taking overpriced public contracts, monopolizing industries, and making sure that their corruption goes unpunished. And normal citizens suffer, as millions are stolen that should be spent on schools, hospitals, and infrastructure projects that would save lives and improve livelihoods. How do they get away with it? First, they undermine the courts and stop them from effectively prosecuting corruption. Second, they pass laws that legalize state capture. It becomes harder to hold the corrupt to account and easier for a few interests to monopolize industries and public resources. This means that a politician accused of high-level corruption can avoid imprisonment, get a top role in government, and profit from a rigged system. The corrupt are doing this in various sectors in all of these countries. This must and can't stop. With strong, independent institutions, robust laws, and integrity in politics, state capture can be prevented. As more people understand state capture, more can unite against it. Find out more at transparency.org/Balkans-Turkey.